Okay, so continuing where we left off, we are going to try to determine the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons that is in one atom by its symbol, atomic number, and mass number. Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to take a look at your periodic table, because that is going to tell you how many atoms, or what your atom atomic number is. Okay, so bromide is number 35, okay, and number 35 is bromine, okay, but when bromine becomes an ion, the name changes to bromide, okay. So we determined what the atomic number was, and that was 35, okay, and then the mass number is the number below the symbol. It is the long number, so for bromine it is 79.904, okay, 79.904, sorry, that's a 7, okay, and then the mass number is the atomic mass rounded to the nearest tenth, okay, so the mass number is 80, okay, so the atomic number is always, always, always the number of protons in your atom. So the number of protons is 35. Okay. The number of neutrons is basically how you determine the number of neutrons is the mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Okay. So since you have the number of protons, all you have to do is subtract 35 from 80 and you come up with 45. And that is how many neutrons is in bromine. Okay, so next, number of electrons. So how you determine that is if it's a neutral atom, the number of electrons will be the same as the atomic number and the number of protons. Okay, but this is not a neutral atom because it is bromide, Br1-, which means it has one more negative charge than it does positive charge. So that means it has one more electron than it does protons. So 35 plus 1, 36. Simple as that. And that is how you figure out that from that.